Here are 4 easy steps to turn viewers into subscribers without begging. If people are watching your videos but not subscribing, the problem is not your personality. The problem is that you have not given them a reason to stay. Most creators ask for subscribers. Few creators earn them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make people want to subscribe without sounding desperate. Number 1, why people do not subscribe. People do not subscribe because they like one video. They subscribe because they believe future videos will help them. Subscribe is not about the past, it's about the future. If your channel feels random, people do not know what they are signing up for. If your channel feels focused and clear, subscribing feels safe. Your job is to make your channel feel like a promise. If you are serious about building something long term and not just chasing views, subscribe. This channel is about clarity before monetization, so your growth is built on structure, not luck. Now let me show you how to earn subscribers the right way. Step 1, be clear about who you help. If someone cannot tell who your channel is for in the first few minutes, they will not subscribe. You should speak directly to one person. You should speak directly to one type of person. You should describe their problem clearly. When someone feels seen, they stay. If your message feels broad, people would think, this is good, but it's not for me. Clarity makes subscribing easier. Step 2, tell them what is coming next. Most creators end videos like and subscribe. That does not give them a reason. Instead, tell them what they will get next. For example, you can say, in the next video, I will show you how to build a weekly content plan. Now you have given them something specific to look forward to. When people know what is coming, they are more likely to subscribe. Step 3, build a series, not random videos. If every video feels connected, viewers feel like they are in a class. If every video feels random, viewers feel like they are watching clips. Series builds trust. Random uploads build confusion. If someone watches 3 of your videos and they feel connected, subscribing feels natural. And step 4, make them feel progress. People subscribe when they feel growth. If your content helps them understand something clearly, they will want more. If your video feels repetitive or shallow, they will move on. Ask yourself this simple question: did your video help someone move forward? If the answer is yes, subscribers will follow. This is not about tricks. This is not about asking louder. This is not about saying only 1% of you are subscribed. It is about being useful and being clear about what comes next. When you are clear and consistent, you do not have to beg. Comment, grow if you are building your channel the right way. In the next video, I will show you how to turn this entire system into a simple weekly plan so you can follow without stress. Y'all have a good day.